city. We're sitting on the first seat. So here we are, and here is
sugar be sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you're falling apart. And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact, he won't show up at all. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it goes, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the others.
Chinatown. So we are staying in Orchid Street, and this was like literally 5-10 minutes away. And we're hoping to get some good food here. Let's see.
Where words have no place and time has escaped. Ooh, that's where our hearts connect. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. Don't you want?
Okay, so the first thing that we are having is some juice. They have a lot of this real fruit juice. So I'm going to have my favorite mango. There is just mangoes and I love it. Let me show you the place where we are at. हम है यहाँ पे Wonderful Durian. Excellent fruit, and we see a lot of people having. That's my husband right there. And this is the menu. I'm having mango. I think he's having something else. I think this is shaved ice, and this is something they have. It's too expensive, guys. $68 for like a little pot of juice in the food itself. Too much money. Having simple juice. Hygiene on a different level. They've got like this gloves on every table. Husband is back. Apple kiwi for him. Mango for me. Stalls. Finally found some noodles, husband's pork dumplings, and one thing is on the way.
Don't leave it all for the other side. And just don't, baby, let.
Taking the metro to Little India. Let me show you how the metro looks. Little India, when you can spot Kareena Kapoor on the hoarding. So funny. Let's see how they've interpreted our country. Can you believe that this all is just painted on the walls? Like seriously, it's beautiful. Roaming around Little India. And now I know why people say वहाँ do some decor, because खाना वेज तो कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है, तो यहीं से खा के जाएंगे.
You're making my dreams come alive in the nighttime. Body making room up in my memory, yeah. Baby, you're an angel. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever want. I can be your A1, anything for us. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever love.